Hi, my name is Simone from the B3 Academy.
Hi, my name is Baptiste and I'm a Pilates instructor.
So Baptiste, I've understood that Pilates is a mind-body technique or form of exercise. How would you describe that, or how does Pilates explain itself?
Well, we know that it's labeled mind and body activities, and there are 10 different principles that help to tap into the mind. But I feel that it's just on the surface. So I was wondering if neuroscience can help us to improve that mind aspect of mind and body in Pilates.
Yeah, so science has really explored the whole concept of mind-body and the connection. So from what we understand now, we have a conscious mind and the subconscious mind. So the subconscious is where everything really happens. Everything gets processed and stored and worked through. But we perceive everything at a conscious level through the conscious mind. And that perception comes from our five senses. So smell, vision, touch, taste, and hearing. So we can actually influence movement quality and as well as brain function by stimulating those five senses. And my understanding is that Pilates, according to the 10 principles, really aims to stimulate the five senses through the technique. So you've got movement. So we all know that repetition, so repeating a movement over and over will improve our function, or in fact improve the range of motion. We know that an instructor giving a good visual cue, maybe demonstrating to a client, can help the client learn the movement or maybe even improve the movement. A verbal cue. My best Pilates improvements came from an instructor, a wonderful 76-year-old lady who gave the most descriptive visual cues that really helped me improve my movements. And I'm a big believer in the sensory work. So that's the principle of the Brain.Body.Balance technique, is that any sensory stimulus, our body is rich in proprioceptive organs and nerve endings. So any sensory stimulus, which is really a touch. So as a Pilates instructor, a tactile cue, just a touch or a tap or a little bit of a rub of a muscle can improve movement dramatically and make the brain's awareness of that area clearer. And we all know that the brain's primary aim is survival. So the more information the brain receives from the body, the more confident the movement and better the contractility and of course the better the quality of movement and the confidence in movement.
I'm so excited that we're going to dig deeper into the mind and to the brain to improve our movement and Pilates. Are there in your own practice or when you're teaching to give better cues to your clients? Yeah.
So Pilates, you're already doing all of this. I mean, that's why Pilates is so successful, and that's why every human being really should be ideally doing Pilates as a practice. But we're going to marry the core principles of Pilates with neuroscience and understand why it is effective and see how we as instructors and as students or clients can improve our function and movement, and of course brain and cognitive function as an extra benefit.
Beautiful, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.